My video guide is about removing the browser notifications which are associated with the website News-yikizu.cc. News-yikizu.cc is indeed a malicious and very deceptive site. It now attacks Google, Chrome and other browsers, and it tries to mislead you and to make you click on this special allow button, supposedly to help you continue your browsing or to prove that you are not a robot. But clicking on allow is extremely dangerous. If you do that, your browser will be hijacked and infected. First of all, because of that, you may be redirected to some other deceptive content. Also, you may start receiving the great portion of pretty misleading advertisements that will keep popping up in the right part of your computer screen. You should do something to deactivate these ads urgently. So, go to the menu of your browser, go to Settings. After you go to Settings, you need to select the special option called Privacy and Security, or Security and Privacy. It is sometimes also called like that. Because of the adware, your browser may be freezing and your computer may also be freezing. Anyway, after you get finally to the settings, you should select Privacy and Security in the left part of the settings window. So click on Privacy and Security, then you need to scroll down to the special area called Site Settings. In Site Settings, go to Permissions and choose Notifications. Pay attention to the sites that are allowed to send notifications, and when you find this News-yikizu.cc, make sure you remove this junk site from the list and also delete other junk sites too. Finally, I recommend researching the system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and the best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download Combo Cleaner, install the program, and begin carefully researching and investigating your system to detect and eliminate all other threats which could possibly still remain on your computer. Combo Cleaner Antivirus, of course, will help you very well in this matter. So use Combo Cleaner to always protect your computer from malware attacks. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.